Ultrafab has 3 manufacturing facilities spread throughout the United States. We have our main facility here in upstate New York in Farmington. We have a smaller facility in Greer, South Carolina, and we have a facility in McPherson, Kansas. Ultrafab was founded by Robert Horton. Bob was an entrepreneur who had worked for a competing weather strip company, and he had also sold ultrasonics. And he decided that there was a way to meld the two of those together to make a non-woven product instead of a weaving process that most of our competitors use. He wanted to use an ultrasonic process. When you use an ultrasonic process, the fibers that you're putting onto the back of the weather stripping stay there, so you're not going to get fiber pullout. We've been doing continuous ultrasonic welding for the last 46 years.
A few years ago we had kind of a bad January, and we realized that everybody gets back from the holidays and your head just is not in the game, okay? And it's kind of a slow part of the year for us, so there's another reason for everybody to be just kind of not into it. And when we did that safety day before we even got started after the new year, I think that first January we didn't have any lost times at all, even cuts and abrasions. It made a huge difference.
Teamwork and accountability are key, so involving the employees is paramount. And I mean, that is the key to I think a robust and a very good program.
One of the unique things about Ultrafab is almost all of the equipment that we have here is self-designed. We have a wonderful engineering group that thinks through how to design the things. We have our own machine shop that actually manufactures our equipment. We have a lot of employee input as we design the machines. We have all of our equipment examined by an outside third party to certify the safety of the equipment and to make sure that the guarding is put on.
Forklift safety and pedestrian safety is something that is very, very key here. One of the things that they've done here is create an elevated base for the Gaylords, and in the new production area that has brought forklift traffic down to a minimum compared to what it was. By using the Gaylords, which is a large piece of equipment that has a lot of space, you can do 3 of those trips a day versus upwards of 20 on a forklift.
If you have the safety in place and you're watching out for each other, if you're using behavioral-based safety training, you're going to get the people focused on doing the right thing and doing it the right way every time.
Just keeping the message out there at all the shift meetings, something goes on, make sure you're touching safety there, touching safety in our production meetings and that stuff, and just keep people thinking.
We start every one of our meetings with safety first, quality second, and the production will come. If you have those other 2, those are the legs of the stool that we try to go by.